Hello everyone, Tina here from Trendated Tech, and today we will take a look at the Samsung's new M series smartphone M30s. So let's start unboxing. Opening the box, the first thing we get is the Samsung Galaxy M30s wrapped with protection cover. We will keep this aside and check what more inside the box. There is a Samsung fast charging adapter and Type-C USB cable. So this all things we are getting in this box. Let's start with the design. By the way, the device comes with 3 different colors. One is opal black, sapphire blue and pearl white. So we have a beautiful opal black color variant of Galaxy M30s, making it feel premium. Moving to the rear side, there is a triple camera along with single LED flash. The SIM card slot is located on the left side, which can take 2 nano SIM as well as micro SD card. All the buttons including volume and power are located on the right. Lastly, the bottom side has a Type-C USB port, headphone jack, microphone and speaker. Now let's switch on the device. The Galaxy M30 has 6.4 inches Super AMOLED Full HD Plus screen display with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. The device runs on One UI based on Android 9 Pie operating system. Now talking about the specs, the device is powered by Samsung Exynos 9611 processor paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Even you can increase storage up to 512GB by adding micro SD card. For gaming performance, we have tested PUBG in high graphics settings and we noticed no lags and shudders. It was fun to play on this device. For security, the Galaxy M30s has a face unlock and fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint detection is quite fast and also face detection. Talking about camera, the Galaxy M30s has 48 megapixel main camera plus 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor and 5 megapixel depth sensor. Camera app performs smoothly and we did capture pictures in both normal and ultra wide. There are more options we get in this app: Live Focus, Pro, Panorama, Night Mode, Food Mode, and for videos, Super Slow-Mo, Slow Motion, and Hyperlapse. These are all options we are getting in this app. As for the selfies, the Samsung Galaxy M30s will come equipped with an impressive 16 megapixel resolution front camera. Samsung Galaxy M30s is powered by 6000 mAh battery with Samsung fast charging technology, which quickly charges the mobile. Overall, I am impressed with the design and software wise it performed well at our initial testing. We will keep testing the Galaxy M30s for the complete review. Stay tuned to our channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and we will meet again in another video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching our video.